My name is Haleigh Mills. I am in baking, production, and management. I am from South Seneca High School. I chose Alfred State because my hometown is a very small town, and I liked how Alfred is small and it's not as overwhelming as a bigger school, and it's a very tight-knit community, and you really get to know your peers. So I chose baking because it has been one of my passions forever now. I originally did a degree in interior design, and I wanted to come into baking to add on to that degree because I have some plans of wedding planning is something I really enjoy, and I want to be able to make cakes for people as well as design their weddings. Before coming to the baking program, I did not know a lot about baking. It's something that I really enjoyed on my free time, but I didn't know all of the skills and techniques involved. Coming to this program, it has showed me a lot, and it's really built my confidence with baking, and I've learned so much more. Alfred State has helped me put all the ingredients together so I can rise to a successful career.